Welcome back. Want to make your Samsung phone feel more personal? Setting a custom ringtone is one of the easiest ways to customize your device. Whether you want to use your favorite song, a downloaded sound, or a recording, Samsung lets you change your ringtone in just a few simple steps. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Sounds and Vibration, then tap on it. This menu contains all the sound settings for your device, including ringtones, notifications, and vibration options. Next, tap Ringtone. Yeah. If your Samsung phone supports dual SIM cards, you'll be asked to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. This feature lets you assign different ringtones to each SIM, making it easier to identify which number is receiving a call without even looking at your screen. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. If prompted, allow the sound picker to access your audio files. This permission is required so your phone can display the music and sound files stored on your device. You'll now see several categories such as tracks, albums, artists, and folders. Browse through your files and select the audio you want to use as your ringtone. Tap the file once to preview how it will sound when someone calls you. If you are satisfied with the preview, tap Done to save your selection. Your custom ringtone is now active and will play whenever you receive a call on the selected SIM card. For the best results, choose a ringtone that's clear, loud, and around 20 to 30 seconds long. Avoid very quiet intros as they can make incoming calls difficult to notice. If your favorite song is too long, you can trim it using a free audio editing app before setting it as your ringtone. Now every incoming call will play your favorite sound instead of the default ringtone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech tips.